125 to the power minus 1 by 3. This your question is. So I can write 125 like this, 5 power 3. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Then minus 1 upon 3 is there. You can cut minus 3 to minus 3. This is 5 power minus 1. And what is the meaning of 5 power minus 1 is 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 is your answer. Then C is your answer. Come on next. Next question is 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. This is just like a power m into b power m. This should be ab whole power m. It means 7 into 8 power 1 by 2. What is 7 8 is 56? 56 power 1 by 2. It means B is your answer. Come on next one. See here, 13 power 1 by 5 upon 13 power 1 by 3. Okay, so base is same and division sign is given, then power should be subtracted. That is the law of exponent. 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3. So 13 power, this is your 15. Okay, the 5 3s are 15, 3 and 3 5s are 15. This is minus 5. So 13 power minus 2 upon 15. Then D is your answer. Okay, the next 64 power minus 1 by 2 and its fourth root. I can write 64 like 8 power 2 and minus 2 is already here and fourth root is given. It means fourth root is this. So 8 power minus 4 into 1 upon 4. 4 to 4 cut, 8 power minus 1. What is meaning of 8 power minus 1? This should be 1 upon 8. So A is your answer. Come on the next. Next question. 2 power 0 plus 7 power 0 upon 5 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 7 plus 7 power 0 is 1. And 5 power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 upon 1 is 2 is your answer. It means B is your answer. Very nice question. And come on the next. Next question is 243 power 1 by 5. So what can I write? 243, I am writing 243 like 3 power 5. And power is 1 upon 5 is given to you. So what to do? 5 to 5 cut, 3 power 1, that is your 3. Yes, in this question you have to find 9 power 3. What is 9 power 3? This is 729. And minus 3 power 3. What is minus 3 power 3? Is minus 27. And minus of 6 power 3. What is minus 6 power 3? 6 6 are 36 and 36 6 are 216. Okay, so 729 minus 243. And when you subtract it, you will get 486. So C is your answer. Okay, come on the next. Question number 29. See, this is 2 power 2, then power cube root, that is your 1/3 of this and 1/4 of this. How can we write? See here, 2 power 2 is there. Okay, and this is third root and this is your fourth root. So what to do? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. I can write 2 power 6, 2 power 1 by 6. So 2 power 1 by 6 is your answer. C is your answer. Next question, come on. 25 power 1 by 3 and 5 power 1 by 3. What can I write? 25 it means what? 5 power 2 and power 1 by 3 is already here, and 5 power 1 by 3. Okay, this is your 5 power 2 by 3 and 5 power 1 by 3. So make it here. The base is same, then powers will be added. Okay, so 3 by 3, 5 power 1. What is 5 power 1? It is 5. Okay, one other method we have. See, this is 25 into 5 whole power 1 by 3. One another method. This is 25 into 5. This is 125, no? Power 1 by 3. So what can we write? This is 5 power 3 and 1 upon 3. 3 to 3 cut. This is 5 power 1. Then again 5 is your answer. Both the methods are right. Come on the next question. Question number 31. See here. This is 81 power 1 by 4. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, 1 by 4. What can I write? 81 3 power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 to 4 cut. This is 3 power 1. 3 power 1 is what? 3. So A is your answer. Come on the next. Nice question it is. Question number 32. Base is same. See here. Base is what? X. And what we know for laws of exponents, if base is same, then powers will be added. Then what is the meaning? Powers will be added. Then what is the meaning? Then x power p minus q plus q minus r plus r minus p. So p to p cut, q to q cut, r to r cut. This is x power 0. This is 1. X power 0 is 1. So B is your answer. Come on the next one. Next question number 33. This all are in this square root, no? So I am taking whole common square root. This is p power minus 1. Can I write this 1 upon p into q? Then q power minus 1, 1 upon q into r, and 1 upon r into p. Okay, this p to this p cut, this part to this r cut, this q to q cut. Root of 1 is what? 1. And 1 is where? C. C is your answer. Come on the next. 2 power, this is third root of this 2. This is fourth root of 2 and 12th root of 32. Okay, can I write like in this way? 2 power 1 upon 3 into 2 power 1 upon 4 into, this is 2 power 5 and 1 upon 12. So base is same, then powers will be added. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 12. 2 power 12 is LCM. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12. Then what will come? 4 plus 3 7 and 1 8. 2 power 8 upon 12. 4 2s are and 4 3s are. 2 power 2 upon 3. Okay, so what we can write? This we have to write down. 2 power 2 upon 3. What is the question? This is 2 power 1 upon 3. I can write like this. This is 2 power 1 upon 4. This is 32 power 1 upon 12. So what to do? What I am writing? When base is same, I am writing like this: 2 power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 4, and this is what, 32. I can write 32 is 2 power 5, no? So 5 power 5, 2 power 5 and upon 12. Here base is same, then powers will be added. How can I add? See, 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, then what was 5 by 12. Okay, then 2 power is 12 is LCM, no? 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, then 12 1s are 12, and 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 9, 9 and 3 12. 12 upon 12 means what? 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2. Then A is your answer. Come on next. Yes, 3 power 3 whole power 2 is equal to 9 power x. This is, can I write 3 power 2 whole power 3, both are the same thing? This is 9 power x. I am trying to make it base same. Then 9 power 3 equal to 9 power x. What is the meaning of x? X should be 3. If x is 3, then what is value of 5 power x? 5 power 3. This should be 125. So D is your answer. Next question. Rationalization of the denominator of 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. Okay, then 1 upon root 5 plus root 2, then what will be rationalizing factor? Root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. Numerator will be the same because multiplied by 1. This is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Root 5 into root 5 is what? 5. And root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Then what will be the answer? Root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2 is 3. Then root 5 minus root 2 upon 3 is your answer. Next one. X is equal to 2 plus root 3. Then x plus 1 upon x you have to find out. Then what is value of 1 upon x? First you find out. 1 upon x. 1 upon x should be 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Okay. So 1 upon 2 plus root 3 you solve it by rationalization method and multiply it by rationalizing factor. 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Numerator will be the same. 2 minus root 3. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. A square is 4 and minus 3. So what is value of 1 upon x is 2 minus root 3. Now keep in mind what is value of 1 upon x. This is 2 minus root 3. But what we have to find? X plus 1 upon x. X is your 2 plus root 3. And 1 upon x was 2 minus root 3. Then root 3 to root 3 cut. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then C is your answer. Next question, question number 38. 6.54 bar. It is definitely, this is your what? Rational number. Okay. This is your rational number. This is recurring, no? 6.54 bar means what? 6.54, 54 and so on. This is your rational number. Come on. Next. Question number 39. A minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. ठीक है, 9 minus 11. This is minus 2. So A is your answer. Minus 2 is your answer. And this C. 32 power 1 by 5. So what can I write? 2 power 5 is 32 and power 1 by 5 is this. Any number having power 0 is 1. This is 64 power 1 by 2. So 8 square is 62 and power 1 by 2. So 5 to 5 cut, 2 pure, 1 pure and plus 8. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11.